In this video, I will show you how to install a J&J single sink. If you are using an Echo portable toilet, the first thing you will look for is on the inside of the door at the bottom, where you will find a built-in mold designed to rivet a T-connector onto it. Then, using a 3/16 bit, drill out 2 holes in the designated areas. Make sure to go only through the first layer and not both layers of the door. Then, take your T-connector and your rivet gun and rivet your T-connector onto the door. Once the T-connector is riveted on, look at the side of the sink and find the little plastic piece bulging out. Slide this plastic piece into the T-connector. Make sure the tube for your gray water is going into the tank. And finally, to secure your single sink, drill a hole in the top right side of the sink in the designated area. Use a 1/4" bit. You can either use a 1/4" bolt with 2 washers and a lock nut, or a rivet to lock your single sink in place. In this example, I will use the 1/4" bolt, the 2 washers, and a lock nut. If you are installing the sink inside a non-Echo toilet, instead of using the T-connector, you will use this bracket piece. Go ahead and place the sink in the spot that you want it. Then slide the bracket piece underneath the sink, as I am doing here. Once the bracket piece is in position, use a marker to mark the spot where it's at. Then, remove the sink from the toilet. Make sure the bracket piece is in position based on your mark. Then drill out the 2 holes and rivet the bracket piece in place. Then, place the sink back on top of the bracket piece. And finally, drill out the 2 holes at the top in the designated areas and secure the sink with either a 1/4" bolt, 2 washers, and a lock nut like before, or a rivet. Your single sink is now secured and ready to go inside your portable toilet.